Hi, I'm Olalde, the founder and CEO of Xtreme Xperience. Since starting this company in 2012, safety has always been our #1 priority. But in light of current events, we are doubling down on that commitment by looking at every area of our experience to ensure your safety and the safety of our employees in new ways. We have reinforced our existing sanitization measures and have implemented additional procedures. These include providing every participant with a brand new head sock that covers their head, nose, and mouth during the experience. Cleaning all high-touch areas of our vehicles, including the steering wheel with EPA-approved disinfectant in between every driver. Cleaning our helmets with EPA-approved disinfectant after every single use. Outfitting all Xtreme Xperience employees with masks, gloves, and relevant PPE. Ensuring social distancing by increasing space between guests and limiting the number of guests in any one area of our experience. Providing multiple hand sanitizing and hand washing stations on site at all times. Ensuring that all waiting and viewing areas are outside in open air settings. Minimizing contact points throughout the experience. Encouraging anyone who feels ill, has a fever, or has been in contact with someone who is ill to utilize our flexible reschedule policy and drive at a later date. And encouraging guests to bring and use their own precautionary items. These measures are in place so that you are as confident in your safety as we are, and feel free to enjoy every moment of driving your supercar at the racetrack. More than ever, we remain committed to our mission to safety, and to safely put you behind the wheel of the world's most exciting and most exotic cars. I'll see you on track.